In this video, I will be sharing with you how to add a texture to clothing in Photoshop. I am Peter. I will be right back. Welcome back. In case you are new to this channel or a returning viewer and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and remember to put on the notification. Alright, let's continue. First step is making selection of the clothes. After selecting the cloth, right click and select layer fair copy, or just press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now save it as PSD file. Copy the texture or pattern you want to use and paste it. Adjust the size and follow this step to displace the texture. Select filter and under distort, select displace. Use the same setting as display on the screen. Once you press OK, it will ask you to choose displacement map. Choose the file you saved recently. Now change the blend mode of the texture or pattern to multiply and clip max the layer to the selected clothes layer. In case it requires adjustment, open the blend option and adjust. To split this, hold Alt key. Alright, let's try and make use of image. Copy the image just as we did earlier. Copy and paste and follow the previous steps to displace the image. Change the blend mode to multiply and clip max the layer to the selected clothes layer, just as we did earlier, and do the adjustments. And here we end the lesson. If you find this video helpful, add a like, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to put on your notification. I really appreciate comments. Kindly drop a comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.